हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द सरफेस इंटीग्रल एंड वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल in the vector calculus. So in this video I am going to explain one problem based on the volume integral. Question is, if f is the given vector point function f equal to 2xzi minus xj plus y square k, then evaluate this triple integration f db, where b is the volume bounded by the surface x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 2, y equal to 6, z equal to x square and z equal to 4. So directly it's given the limits here. You can see in the problem, x limit is 0 to 2, y limit is 0 to 6, z limit is x square to 4. So basically directly limit is given for x, y, z. We know that for finding the volume integration we need x limit, we need y limit and we need z limit. So all three are given. Let us see. So your f will be, f is given 2xzi minus xj plus y square k, and db is the, since we are in the Cartesian coordinate, so db will be dx dy dz. Fine. Or one can have dz, dy, dx, anything. Only thing you need to take care about the limits here, depend upon this sequence, right? So if you integrate, so what we get? We'll get one vector. Fine. So let us see. So here let us have z limit first. So z limit will be your x square to 4, z equal to x square to 4, and your y limit is 0 to 6 and x limit is from 0 to 2. Fine. So if you expand, if you open this bracket, so we get the three integral, right? 2xzi dz dy dx minus xz dz dy dx plus y square k dz dy dx. So we will be getting the three integral. Let us see one by one. So first integral will be 2xzi dz dy dx over the same volume, same limits, right, minus triple integration xj dz dy dx over the same volume, same limit, plus triple integration y square k dz dy dx. Fine. So let us see one by one how to integrate. So this is the first integral, second integral, third integral. So I will calculate this integral one by one. So except this, I will delete everything, only will keep the limits. Limit also I will take that first integral. Okay, I am going to solve this one. So we have triple integration and 2 is constant, I is constant, we can take outside 2i. So we have xz and dz dy dx. Fine. And limit is x square to 4, 0 to 6 and 0 to 2. Okay. So this will be your 2i, and we integrate with respect to z. So we get x is constant with respect to z. So we get z square by 2, right? Z square by 2, and limit will be your x square to 4 dy dx. Here 0 to 6, 0 to 2. Fine. Okay. After that, now we will put the upper limit minus lower limit. So 0 to 6, 0 to 2 and x and upper limit, so we get 16 by 2 minus x power 4 by 2, right? Yes, and dy dx. So this will be your 0 to 2 and 2i, we have 2i, 0 to 2, 0 to 6 x. This is the 8 minus x power 4 by 2 dy dx. So this 2 if you multiply, so it will be cancelled, so we get I 0 to 2, 0 to 6 x into 16 minus x power 4 dy dx. I have, this is the 2 we have, and cancel this 2, so we get this, fine. Now we integrate with respect to y. So here this is the constant, right, with respect to y, so we get only 6 minus 0, so I 0 to 2 and this is the x 16 minus x power 4 into y limit, so y 0 to 6 dx, fine. Okay, so we get 6i integral 0 to 2 16x minus x power 5 dx. Okay, and if you simplify, so we get the 128i. So this is your value of first integral. Let us see the second one. So I'll write 128i for first. Second one we have with the negative sign, triple integration x j dz dy dx. Z limit is x square to 4, y limit is 0 to 6, x limit is 0 to 2. So j is a constant, we can take outside, and you integrate with respect to z, so x is constant, so we have 0 to 2, 0 to 6 x, and z limit will be your x square by 4 dy dx, fine. Okay, so double integration j 0 to 2, 0 to 6 and x, and this will be your 4 minus x square dy dx. Now if you integrate with respect to y, so this whole thing will be constant, so we get only 6, so we get 6j 0 to 2 4x minus x cube dx, fine. 6j 0 to 2 and 4x minus x cube, so this is your y2, and if you simplify, so we get the 24j. This is your second integration. And third one, let us find out third integration. Third we have triple integration y square k dz dy dx, and z limit your x square to 4, y limit 0 to 6, x limit is 0 to 2, fine. Okay, so we get k, and if you integrate with respect to z here, so y square is constant, so we get 0 to 2, 0 to 6 y square, and z limit will be x square to 4 dy dx, fine. So again this will be your k 0 to 2 and 0 to 6, and we get y square into 4 minus x square, 4 minus x square dy dx, fine. Now we will integrate with respect to y, so we get k 0 to 2, so this will be a constant, 4 minus x square, and y square, so y cube by 3 0 to 6 dx. Fine. Okay, so we get the k into, so we get the 6 into 6 by 3 and 0 to 2 4 minus x square dx. So we get the third one, if you simplify, so we get that 384k, right? So your integral will be, calculation I am, last portion I am left for you, that is that too in single integration, that you can do. So we have 1 minus 2 plus 3, right? So first answer was, for first integral it was 128i minus, second was 24j and plus 384k. So this is the answer of that given volume integral. So this was the vector. So I have left that only the single integration calculation that you can do by yourself. You have learned that single integration, double integration. So this was the example of volume integration. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.